Hello students, welcome to you all Tagore Public School Digital class. Today we will learn class 8 unit 2 poem The Tsunami. Tsunami means children, the earthquake occurred under the sea. It is called a tsunami. So let's see the summary of this lesson. Tsunami refers to a large and powerful waves in the sea. It is caused by some earthquake under the sea. हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि भाई अर्थक्वेक अगर सी के अंदर होता है तो सुनामी आती है. One such a calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2004. The worst affected parts were coastal part of the India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Thailand. Some 1,50,000 people lost their lives, but animals suffered very few casualties. Perhaps they had a sense the coming earthquake and they ran to safer high places. This lesson recounts a few stories of bravery and intelligence when the earthquake hits the Andamans. Children, we will see the first story. It is about Ignatius, the manager of Cooperative Society in Kachchal. Kachchal is one place, it is in Nicobar Island, beta. Okay? So, that person is working as the manager of Cooperative Society in Kachchal. He was woken up by his wife at 6 a.m. The family rushed out of the house. When the earth stopped shaking, the sea started rising. Okay, जैसे अर्थ का वो हिलना बंद हुआ ना वैसे ही समुद्र का जो पानी है वो शुरू हो गया बढ़ना. The waves washed away his 2 children. वेव्स के कारण उनके दोनों बच्चे भी वॉश्ड हो गए मतलब बह गए एंड हिज इन लॉज. बट द 3 other children were saved because they were with him. Okay. Next one is Sanjeev was the policeman. He managed to save himself, his wife and daughter from the waves. But soon he cried. He heard the cries of help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. उनके गेस्ट हाउस का जो कुक था उसके वाइफ की आवाज़ उसे सुनाई दी. He jumped into the water to rescue her, but both were washed away. John and that lady also both were washed away. 13 years old Megha was carried away along with her parents. See, one girl was there, Meghna. She was also with her parents only. And 7 other peoples. She held on the wooden door for 2 days. और वो कितने दिन तक? 2 दिन तक तो वो लकड़ी का दरवाज़ा पकड़ के रही. 11 times the relief helicopter flew overhead, but they cannot stop her. However, she was brought to the shore at last by the waves. और वो at last wave की help से वो किनारे आई. After that, Almaz Javed was 10 years old students of the convent school in a Port Blair. You know that beta, Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island. So at that place. Her family had gone to another island to celebrate Christmas. Why they came this island? To celebrate Christmas. Almar's father saw the sea waves receding in the morning. They understood that the wave would come back with force and he tried to take his family to safer place. But her father and grandfather were swept away by the giant wave. Unluckily, what happened? That her father and grandfather both swept away. Her mother and aunts were washed away. Almaz climbed to the log of wood. और अलमास का क्या हो गया बेटा? वो एक लकड़ी का जो डंडा था उसको पकड़ के बैठी रही. She later found herself in a hospital. जब वो उसकी आँख खुली तो उसने देखा कि she is at a hospital. Now see the part 2, children. There is also a story from the Thailand. The Smith family was celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. The parents has a two daughter. The water kept coming in on 26 December 2004. But little Tilly Smith sensed the dangerous ahead. उसको एकदम से आइडिया आ गया कि कुछ dangerous होने वाला है. She recalled a geography lesson that tsunami could be caused by the quake, volcanoes and landslides. She called her family to get up and out of the beach. Her parents went up to the third floor of the hotel and survived. वो बच गए. Thus, here, geography lessons saved their lives. Now we will see the third part, children. While humans lost their lives, wild and domestic animals sensed the danger in time. Elephant ran from higher ground, and the dog, birds, and zoo animal looked for safer place. Perhaps animals possess a sixth sense. They feel the turmoil long before humans realize it. So, many animals were reported dead at Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. No dead bodies of animal were found while 60 visitors were washed away.